Lawyers for the US Army intelligence analyst Bradley Manning have filed a motion to dismiss the entire case against their client.
The 24-year-old is accused of aiding Al-Qaeda by orchestrating the leak of sensitive US intelligence to the whistleblower website WikiLeaks. North America correspondent Jane Cowan filed this report from Fort Meade Military Base at Maryland.
Well, it's a dramatic move by the defence team. Remember, Bradley Manning hasn't even entered his plea yet, but now his lawyers are asking the military judge to throw out all of the charges against him. They say that the US government has failed to meet its obligations to provide material requested by the defence in the lead up to the trial that would have allowed them to properly prepare their case. And they're saying that the US government has actually so hopelessly messed this up, that's their words, very critical language against the prosecutors, that now it's essentially impossible to remedy the situation. And the defence lawyer David Coombs actually likened this to a cake that's been baking for a long time. You've realised at the last minute that there are no eggs in it, and he's saying you can't simply just add them now and hope for the best. The whole thing has to be thrown out. This isn't actually such an unusual legal tactic to apply for the charges to be dismissed, but the defence team is asking for the case to be thrown out with prejudice, which would mean that the US government would be unable to try it again. Now, the prosecutors obviously have a different interpretation of what's happened. They say that they have met all of their obligations. They acknowledge that some material hasn't been handed over to the defence yet, but they say that's because it's sensitive and classified. Now it will be up to the judge to resolve this fundamental disagreement between the two sides.